morning everybody. I'm taking my bike to my service dealer to do a tire change. So I've strapped my front tire on the back of the top box, and also I need to get this one fixed. This should be at the back of the fork. So it's gonna be a 30-minute journey to the service dealer. More updates to come. Wah, uncle, cantik motor.
Okey lah. Ayo, saya video ni je.
Tadi saya nampak you tuang minyak lah dekat USA 19.
Oh. USA 19 lah.
Itu Shell sana you tuang minyak kan?
Ya.
Saya nampak sama you.
Oh, ada.
Ada.
Oh, you semua ada. Kamera ada, guard ada, semua ada. Ada pergi jauh.
Sudah sampai Bangkok.
Oh, kita pergi Alospak.
Saya tahun lepas bulan 4 pergi tu selatan lah, Southern Thailand.
Okay.
Bulan 7
ada grup lah. Mana Chong?
okey lah, boleh lah uncle.
Boleh lah. Itu color juga cantik tau.
Ini saya very lucky.
Oh.
Saya dapat first batch.
Oh. Itu guard lah. You beli mana? Cantik.
Dia ini sama ini satu set.
Oh, satu set lah. Mana?
Itu dealer jual lah, Yamaha jual.
Oh, Yamaha jual
Ini
lah.
original Yamaha punya.
Berapa?
Dia bawa enjinnya sama ini 1,200.
You semua ada. Shock lah you. Sampai.
After half an hour on the road, Federal Highway, on the bike lane, I finally arrived at the service dealer. So the new tire, is super secured on the bike. So I think it's gonna take like maybe another hour for them to set everything out, especially the wiring on the front spotlight. Yeah. So the tire surface on the center part, is scallop, and then when the tire was rolling, right, the friction causes a lot of sound, and also not that stable. So I'm getting it changed. So right now the guy is checking everything, putting on the tube. So that tube change and rim tire change, 30-minute, half an hour job. Okay, I'm hunkered down at Wawasan train station. heavy rain on my way home, so the front tire was fixed. Wires all rerouted to where it should be, so I'm quite happy with the end result. Paid a bit of labor cost to the workshop and all that to get the job done. So I can look forward at least for another 500 kilometers before the next service. Yeah.